thousands of miles away, a different kind of forest presents its own unique challenges. In these realms, danger wears many faces. It can be a powerful hunter, or it can advertise its lethality with brilliant colors. A clear signal to all that to touch is to invite. Our focus is not on predators who kill for food, but on creatures who have perfected the art of defense.
The primary delivery system for this pain is an evolutionary marvel, the stinger, a hypodermic needle.
The Schmidt pain index ranks stings on a 4-point scale. A small fire ant is a 1.2. A furry honeybee.
To find the first of our contenders, we return to the Amazon floor, a world where even the smallest inhabitants have.
It is a solitary hunter and forager, moving through the undergrowth with a quiet confidence that belies its incredible power.
This is its kingdom, a miniature world of shadow and moisture, where it is a giant.
This is Paraponera clavata, known to locals by a more evocative name, the bullet ant.
One of the largest ants in the world, it is built like a tiny armored vehicle.
These ants live in colonies at the base of trees, but individuals forage alone, sometimes far from the safety of the nest. In this immense world, a solitary ant seems hopelessly vulnerable. But this creature is more than capable of defending itself.
Its movements are slow and deliberate. It conserves energy, ever vigilant, patrolling its territory for food and threats.
And hidden at the tip of its abdomen is the source of its legendary reputation, a stinger packed with one of the most painful venoms in the animal kingdom.
The ant uses its antennae to taste and smell the world around it, constantly analyzing its environment for opportunities and dangers.
It is a predator, but a selective one. This small beetle is not worth the energy.
But its most famous defense is far more active. It is a complex biomechanical system designed.
It doesn't take much to provoke a response. Any perceived threat, even an accidental touch, triggers the defensive sequence.
First, a warning. It rears up, displaying its mandibles, and emits a sound by rubbing parts of its abdomen to.
If the warning is ignored, the weapon is deployed. The abdomen curls, and the stinger is unsheathed. When the threat passes, the ant de-escalator. It will not waste its precious venom unless absolutely necessary. To understand the full power of this sting, a controlled demonstration is required. A persistent threat that will not back down.
The ant instantly perceives the approaching object as a threat. The warnings are issued again, but this time, they will be ignored.
The attack is instantaneous and ferocious. It first anchors itself with its powerful mandibles, ensuring its target cannot escape.
Then, with incredible force, it drives its stinger deep into the threat. Even thick leather offers little resistance.
The stinger injects a potent venom. Its key ingredient is a paralyzing neurotoxin called Poneratoxin.
This toxin blocks synaptic transmission in the central nervous system, causing extreme, radiating waves of agony.
Unlike a honeybee, its stinger is smooth, allowing it to withdraw and attack again and again. The only escape is to retreat.
On the Schmidt index, the bullet ant receives a 4.0 plus, the highest possible rating. Schmidt's description.
With the threat neutralized, the ant calmly resumes its patrol. A small but undisputed king.
In the sun-scorched, dry forests of Central America, the top spot on the pain index is not held by a creature.
This intricate paper fortress is the home of a social insect with a fearsome reputation and a sting that rivals the bullet ant.
This is Polistus carnifex, the executioner wasp. It is one of the largest and most aggressive paper wasps in the world. Individuals leave the nest to hunt for food,
primarily caterpillars for the colony's larvae, and to gather wood pulp for nest construction.
In the air, it is a master of its domain. Its flight is not erratic, but controlled and powerful.
While feared for their sting, they are also important pollinators, playing a vital role in the health of the dry forest ecosystem. But its anatomy is a clear reminder of its capabilities. The powerful mandibles can tear through insect exo... Once again, a demonstration is necessary to witness the full extent of this creature's defensive capabilities.
The threat is detected almost immediately. A guard wasp's posture changes.
It communicates the danger to its nestmates through movement and pheromones. Within seconds, the entire colony is aware of the intrusion. The response is coordinated and immediate. A squadron of guards launches from the nest to intercept and neutralize the threat.
Unlike the solitary ant, the wasp's defense is a group effort. Their goal is to drive the intruder away with overwhelming force.
The first contact is often a physical blow, a warning to a larger animal that it has come too close. When the warning is not heeded, the attack escalates. The entire guard force swarms the intruder, preparing to use their ultimate weapon.
The sting is delivered with precision. The long, smooth stinger penetrates deeply, injecting a complex cocktail of venom.
Its stinger is unbarbed, allowing it to deliver multiple stings in rapid succession. The assault-only ant.
The executioner wasp also earns a 4.0 on the pain index. Schmidt describes this experience as fiery, as if you're... Once the threat has been driven off, the colony returns to a state of calm. Their cooperative defense has ensured the safety of the nest.
The danger here is invisible, hanging silently in the trees. A localized but absolute...
By studying these complex venoms, scientists can learn more about how pain works, potentially leading to new types of painkillers. Two creatures, two environments, two different approaches to survival. Both have reached the same evolutionary conclusion, a sting that delivers maximum pain. Their weapons reflect their lifestyles. The ant's stinger is a short, powerful dagger for close-quarters combat. The nature of the pain they deliver also differs dramatically. The agony from a bullet ant sting.
The executioner wasp's sting, while just as intense, is a fiery, burning pain that mercifully subsides in a matter of hours.
Solitary versus social. Terrestrial versus aerial. Two vastly different life strategies.
Beyond their sting, they are vital parts of their ecosystems. The bullet ant is a significant predator, controlling populations of smaller invertebrates.
The executioner wasp, in turn, is a crucial pollinator and controls caterpillar populations that could otherwise decimate plant life.
Every aspect of its being is perfected for survival in its challenging world, a masterpiece of evolutionary design. Its entire life is dedicated to the colony, a selfless devotion that fuels its ferocious and unwavering defensive instincts.
The natural world is filled with wonders, but it is also a place of profound danger, governed by the unyielding laws of survival.
In every environment, life has found a way not just to endure, but to defend itself with an effectiveness we can only marvel at.
Compared to these natural weapons, we are fragile creatures. A reminder that in this world, we are not always at the top of the food chain.
These are the expressions of nature's defensive power.